Hi guys. Whoops. Video. Dink. Hi guys. As promised, a video to cover your dimensions. So let's pull up the AutoCAD screen. I've got my. Whoop, didn't mean to do that. You can see I've got my template file open. So I'm making these changes to my template. I'm going to type DDIM at the command prompt. You see right up here, it'll say current dimension style is standard. We want to change that. This is annotative. So I'm going to highlight annotative, click set current, and then click modify. The very first tab we're going to start off is going to be symbols and arrows. I'm going to change my arrowheads from closed field to architectural tick. My arrow size is 1/16. Center marks, it changed from mark to none. We're going to leave that as is. The rest of this dialog stays unchanged. Now we actually need to go back to the lines tab. And the extension beyond ticks is 1/32. Baseline spacing is 1/4. Extension beyond dim lines is 1/32. Offset from origin is a 1/16. Sorry about that. All right, on to the text tab. We are going to change our text style from standard to Arial narrow. Our vertical text placement changes from centered to above. Offset from dimension line becomes 1/32. And our text alignment is aligned with dimension line. ISO standard is pretty close, but it's got some subtle differences. It's usually used in Europe and Asia, not quite so much in America. Okay. Onto the fit tab. The only thing that changes is here for text placement over the dimension line with a leader. It's the only thing we're changing. Primary units. We're going to change our unit format from decimal to architectural. And precision, we're going to change from a 1/16 to 1/4. Our fraction format is not horizontal, it's diagonal. And then down at the bottom under zero suppression, we want to uncheck 0 inches. Everything here for angular dimensions we're going to leave as is. Alternate units we don't mess with, it's just there. Tolerances, the only thing we change here is scaling for height. That becomes 0.75. Click OK. These are all the changes that we need to make. You need to make them in your template file. And let's go ahead and pull this up in A101, A102, A201, and A202. You need to make those dimension style changes in all those drawings. Now we need to make it in your template because in your template is also going to be your everything, our starting point for our future projects. So while you're in your template, and this is something that you'll do this in your free time, double check the handouts that I've already done, make sure your layers are properly named, make sure they're properly configured, that everything in there is good to go, and because that information is just going to help you out when we get to assignment number 2 in a couple weeks. So guys, that's it. That's all I wanted to show you. That was all. So see you guys on Thursday. Thanks. And turn this off. There we go. Bye.